Hey guys, so welcome to another episode of Jackson Garage. Today I'm going to show you the laser cut stuff that I designed. It's a VW badge that I want to put on the Beetle bonnet, because that stuff's obviously over the many years that things been standing under that tree. The badges and all the fun little bits have been pilfered. So I'm designing my own thing, and I'm going to see how it looks. The car is supposed to be what they call like a patinaed. I might just sand all the paint off and give it that sort of angle ground sort of silver look. And I mean, the thing is basically rotten, so whatever I do to it is going to be better than it is just wasting away under the tree. So have a look at the design and the laser cutting and the installation of the badge on the bonnet. Enjoy it. So this is the design for the VW badge that we had laser cut. It's pretty nice. Whoops. So the idea is to just do some custom badging and things for the VW that I'm restoring. I think it'll be a little bit more interesting and fun, and I get to sort of design and experience other bits. so that concludes today's short little episode. I like it. That's probably because I made it. Anyway, catch you next time. Like, subscribe, etc. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.